Welcome to the Jada Toys Just Trucks video. Today I'll show you the vehicles with new color. It's much different than before. It's gonna be rare and unique. These colors are unique and special. So we're gonna talk about these three. Remember, I do not buy too many Jada Toys on Walmart or Hobby Lobby or Target, depending what store you are in right now. They have like smaller monster truck wheels. This one have normal skinny wheels, off-road wheels. Now let's get right into the video. Number one, Chevy Suburban. This one is silver. It's much brighter. The wheels are silver. It's brighter than before. The paint will not erase. Okay, you see the new color? It looks bright, beautiful, much better than before. This one's a panel truck from 1957. This is the most common casting by Jada Toys, Just Trucks. Next one, 2006 Nissan Titan. This one has a colored grille, badge. It has a bed cover, different wheel color, running boards. It's a crew cab. Nissan Titan 2006 from Just Trucks. Tailgate door handle, bumper. It's an off-road vehicle. Coming up is the 2008 Ford F-350 Super Duty King Ranch. I call this King Ranch because I colored the lower part of the vehicle in gold. It has detailed bumper, grille, vents, tail lights, mirrors, and interior. This is a Super Duty. This truck is from 2008 to 2010. This one has different color on the bottom part of the vehicle. It looks like a King Ranch. You know what King Ranch is? King Ranch is a trim level for the Ford F-150 Expedition Explorer Super Duty. That's what I know so far, to have the King Ranch trim. It's the most luxurious trim, just like the Platinum Limited. The Platinum is more expensive. It's the expensive version of a pickup truck. F-150 and Super Duty are Platinum. Lariat is the trim level. You could see the bed. It has a separate piece. The cab and bed are separate, not molded together, just like the Chevy Cheyenne and Silverado that I showed you earlier, but they're not here anymore. This one's kind of wide compared to other pickup trucks. You can see the steering wheel on the left side. It looks better. Nice interior. It has nice wheels. Big time four-wheeling. That's what these wheels are used before this. Alright. Okay. Now let's have a look at the three of them. Okay, have a great day, everyone. This is a great time. I have destroyed 9 Jada dust trucks earlier and this year. Because they have plastic base, the suspension is kind of cheap. Jada Toys used to have cheap models with custom wheels. The Dub City, high profile. What you call is big time muscle. Those cars are much bigger than Hot Wheels cars when you compare them to a 1/64 scale Jetta to a Hot Wheels 1/64 scale. It's not small. Bye bye everybody. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.